Fluid Management Systems is a leading manufacturer of automated sample preparation solutions for sample extraction, cleanup, fractionation, and concentration, designed for analytical testing laboratories. Based in Watertown, Massachusetts, Fluid Management Systems designs and manufactures systems and consumables at its facility to guarantee quality workmanship. All system consumables are manufactured in a state-of-the-art clean room to produce products with the lowest possible background and deliver the highest quality results. Our consumables are tested and guaranteed. All systems are tested as configured by the end user at the time of purchase to ensure 100% success at the time of the client's installation. Located just outside of Boston, Massachusetts, FMS is a leading manufacturer of automated sample preparation solutions for sample extraction, cleanup, fractionation, and concentration, designed for analytical testing laboratories. The broad range of markets served by FMS includes agricultural, biopharmaceutical, pharmaceutical, environmental monitoring, food and beverage, industrial manufacturing, and petrochemical. Here at FMS, we understand the demands testing labs face every day. Laboratories need to get it done faster, better, and cheaper than it's been done in the past, while at the same time achieving accurate, consistent, quality results. Getting the job done with less staff and budget is a reality, and your sample load is not decreasing. You need systems that are designed to do just that. Our automated sample preparation systems are designed to eliminate the manual techniques that bog down a laboratory sample throughput. Our total sample preparation solutions will let your staff and valuable analytical instrumentation work more efficiently, reducing cost, sample turnaround time, and will increase sample throughput. FMS introduces the first and only total solution for automated sample preparation that combines 3 sample preparation processes into one economical package. The Total Rapid Prep performs the extraction, sample cleanup, and concentration for 6 samples simultaneously in less than a few hours, producing high recoveries and consistent results for all target analytes. A Windows-based system that is easy to use controls the system. It is fully programmable and documents the parameters of each step in the process. With the Total Rapid Prep system, you have the option to run a single sample prep process, such as extraction, sample cleanup, or concentration. You may also run a variety of processes at the same time in any combination, made up of extraction, cleanup, and concentration in a single step. The Total Rapid Prep system increases sample throughput while reducing errors and poor recoveries. It also provides a cleaner background and eliminates cross-contamination due to its advanced closed-loop system design. The Total Rapid Prep uses Fluid Management Systems' high-quality and inexpensive Teflon-based pre-packaged disposable columns, which guarantee high recoveries, eliminate background interferences, and glassware cleanup. Applications include dioxins, PCBs, PAHs, PPDEs, pesticides, and other persistent organic pollutants. Now we will give you an overview of how the Total Rapid Prep will automate your sample process to deliver results in hours, not days. "10 grams of dry cod is ground. The ground fish is mixed with drying agents such as hydromatrix or sodium sulfate. The fish and drying agent mixture is stirred until free-flowing and then poured into the PLE cell. The sample is spiked with internal standard. The PLE cell is then capped with a Quick Connect disposable Teflon cap. The PLE cell is then placed on the PLE extraction module and clamped down. The silica, alumina, and carbon columns are taken out of the vacuum seal bag. The Teflon hex fittings are put on the cleanup columns. The cleanup columns are then placed on the cleanup sample processing module. Clean, empty 200 milliliter glass tubes are placed into the evaporator. Prepared solvents are placed in the appropriate bottles for cleanup and extraction. The total rapid prep program is then opened along with temperature and pressure log files for extraction and sample cleanup. The program is launched. 2 cycles of extractions may be needed for full recoveries. Extraction of fish begins simultaneously with the conditioning of cleanup columns and the preheating of evaporators. The PLE cell is filled with solvent. At the same time, the columns are being conditioned. First, the silica columns are conditioned. Next, the alumina column is wetted with hexane. Then, the carbon column is pre-eluted in the forward direction. The PLE extraction cell is pressurized for the first cycle of extraction. The first cycle of extraction is executed simultaneously with the conditioning of the cleanup columns. The Total Rapid Prep software provides real-time monitoring of the PLE extraction data as the system is fully pressurized. The PLE extraction cell is then heated and the pressure controlled and maintained. The extraction data, such as temperature and pressure, are plotted in a graphic format and then saved as log files for future review and reporting. The PLE extraction cell is then cooled and depressurized. In the last step of the extraction process, the PLE flushes the extraction cell with solvent to push the extract out into the evaporator tubes. The Total Rapid Prep program initiates the evaporation of the first extract in parallel with the second cycle of extraction. The PLE starts a second extraction cycle and then finishes the process. In the final step of the second extraction, the PLE flushes the extraction cell with solvent to push the extract out into the evaporator tubes. The Total Rapid Prep program initiates the evaporation of the extract and the solvent exchange process. The Total Rapid Prep runs the solvent exchange step by adding 30 milliliters of hexane, while the evaporator remains ready for the next concentration. The Total Rapid Prep program begins loading the sample from the evaporator tube onto the silica and alumina columns. The high-capacity acid silica column oxidizes the fat from the sample. The silica column is eluted with hexane. The alumina column is eluted, and the PCB fraction is collected in the evaporator tube. The Total Rapid Prep program runs the elution of the carbon column in the reverse direction with toluene. The dioxin fraction is collected in the evaporator tube. The dioxin and PCB fractions are concentrated. The concentration of dioxin and PCB fractions is now complete. The GC vial is taken off the 200 milliliter tube. The sample is transferred to the GCMS for analysis, reducing the process time for extraction, sample cleanup, solvent exchange, and concentration from days to hours. The Total Rapid Prep can be used for different methods such as EPA SW846 methods for pesticides, PCBs and PAHs, CFR, FDA, ASTM, and EU sample analysis. The Total Rapid Prep, 3 systems in one economical package, performs up to 6 extractions, sample cleanups, and concentrations simultaneously to deliver same-day turnaround for results. It provides turnkey sample preparation for persistent organic pollutants. You will reduce solvent consumption and disposal costs. Enjoy a dramatic savings in time, labor, and training. The lowest background interference. Obtain reproducible, repeatable results. Headquartered in the USA, Fluid Management Systems also has an extensive distributor network throughout the world. Please contact Fluid Management Systems today at onlineinfo@fms-inc.com to discover how our fully automated sample preparation solutions will help your lab to meet its business objectives.